Everybody talking about Claude Skills. There is 1,000 different skills for Claude, for marketing, for programming, for design. So here I see a real problem. My Claude is overwhelmed with these skills because I don't use them and they store it in my memory. So I just decided to download all the skills and try it by myself. And here I prepared 8 skills that I use on daily basis, that I tried on my own experience, and I also want to share with you. I just make the skills from the most basic to more advanced, because in my own experience I have a lot of daily routines that I do every day and I use some skills for them. But before we begin, I want to share with you a small guide how to install the skills. First of all, we need a Claude application. Here's my Claude application. And what I need to do? Actually, I need to go in the settings, here, settings, capabilities, in my settings, and here is skills. They moved to customize. I click customize and here is my skills. How I can install the skills? First of all, I can browse skills in the official Claude app. Skill creator, canvas design and a lot of different skills. But if I want to paste here my personal skill, I need to click add, create skills and upload the skills. Then I decided which skill I want to add. For example, I have my skill Humanizer. I can drag it here and so this skill was uploaded to my Claude. That's actually very easy. Okay, let's move forward. Skill Humanizer. Everything that was created by AI is feeling like AI, and we need to use Humanizer to make the text human-like. Also, I make a quick survey by myself and test how Agent Humanizer can decrease AI score in the text. And I tested the original text that was written by AI, and that text has score like 90%. Then I use a Humanizer and the new text has 40. Google and also social media algorithm have some rules to decrease value of AI content. If you make a LinkedIn post, it's better to use Humanizer. What this skill does? It detects 25 specific AI-written patterns, remove them, and also it can make a sample of your writing. For example, you have some patterns how you write text, and this AI skill can create these patterns and it looks like it's your own text. Next skill is fact checker. Sometimes we have a lot of fake sites on the internet and AI just parse data from here. And what this skill does, it reads every factual claim in any text and then it provides a value if this claim is verified or unverified. I think I don't need to speak a lot about this skill because everybody understands how we can use it. Next skill that we have is Add Creative Generator. Actually, the main purpose of this skill is to test different hypotheses for your marketing process. For example, you have a product and you need to create a creatives with text to validate which one is the best and then provide more budget to this. Okay, how it works? We create some files about our product. Then we create files about our audience and then we upload all this into Claude. The best idea is to create a project where all files was consolidated and Claude have access to them. Then Claude have our brand style. He know in which style we create different banners, go to Behance or Dribble, find great references that we like, then upload to Claude and Claude have access to this brand style. Then we can create banners in different variations. And here I prepared some examples so you can see how high quality this generation. But also we need to understand that all these banners should be in some interesting style to your audience. Because person every day see more than 4,000 marketing campaigns. And if we make banners in the same style as a popular style, this person just ignore this banner. So you need to spend some time to create banner style and text style to make this audience interested in your marketing campaigns. Next, where we going is skill generator. What is skill generator? For example, you have a workflow that repeat 3-5 times a week. In this flow you have same instructions, same format and same corrections. And the most complicated part that in every chat you just need to repeat what you want to do. And this skill is actually pre-installed in Claude and you just describe what you want to do and this skill make a research from the internet and create a skill for your flow. So you can easily integrate it for your needs. Because now I see that here is thousands of different skills, but these skills like isolated ones. You cannot integrate it in your flow. But with Skill Creator, you can make a creative ones and just describe what you exactly need for your flow. So it's personalized approach. You have a repeated workflow, you describe it to Claude, Claude interviews you, then it generates a skill MD and you test it and then self-improve the skill. Now I want to show you how it looks in my Claude setup. Here I have my skill folder and here is skill creator. Here is description of the skill and also how it works. Also the skills you can find in my group. Okay, next is Google Sheets. If you're a marketer, you understand that a lot of marketing data and metrics are located in Google Sheets. And it's really difficult to make all this data get analyzed and prepare reports. So I created these skills because it's my almost daily routine. And this actually connects Claude to my Google Sheets. So I can, inside my Claude application, ask a question, Claude, go to Google Sheets and just parse the data. For example, here I have a spreadsheet. We just start to test a short form content for our product. We have a marketing analytics product. And here I created a spreadsheet where I paste data about platform and exact video link. So this agent can paste views, likes, comments from the social media. And when I have, for example, 100 videos, Claude just make work instead of me. It just paste the data about views, likes, comments, and also calculate score how successful this video is. You can do it for anything. It's not like an integrated Claude inside Google Sheets. It's Claude that understands all context about you, know your master prompt, it know your marketing preferences, know your product, and also it has connection to Google Sheets. Next is Marketing Data Analyst. How it works? If you're a marketer, probably you have data from Google Ads, from Meta Ads, from email, SEO and website traffic and so on. And sometimes it's so difficult to unify all this data. All the services have different conversion rates, different value of views and different ad spend. But for final result, you need to understand in report which source provide the most value for your product. So you create this skill, Marketing Data Analyst. It just helps to analyze all this data. Then you can create attribution, so you can understand which channel provide you value. Also you can create customer journeys to understand which touch point provide the most value. For example, here is first touch, second, third, and this touch point in analytics actually like this, and the last one like this. But actually you need to understand that for this you need to spend more. And with this tool you can understand attribution for your marketing campaigns. Also you can see analytics about performance and also build recommendations with this skill to understand what to test next. From here you have different hypotheses and then you test it to new campaigns. Every company have different sources, different marketing campaigns, different people who buy their products, and it's so difficult to unify all this data at first and then understand which stage of customer journey provide the most result. After 1 year of development process, we created advanced tool. First of all, this tool helped to make marketing attribution, and it works almost like this skill but more advanced. Here we have attribution model and then provide a value which source actually drive revenue. Also we have a visitor analytics and also have a unified dashboard with all analytics in one place. We have a free trial for 14 days. Let's go for the next skills. The next skill is report builder. It's absolute routine for every marketer and it's the most repeatable task for every marketing agency. We have a raw data, it's data actually from Meta Ads. Then we export this data for Claude and then Claude build reports. So you can customize these reports for every client and also you can plan this task for repeating every week. And this reports is also accessible in ObserveX. You can plan and send your report by email to your client. Next skill is AI Project Manager. Here we have a Claude and here we have different apps that we use every day. For example, I use Linear to make my task planning. I use Slack to communicate with my team. I use Calendar to prepare meetings and plan these meetings with our clients. And I can connect a lot of apps inside my Claude. So I just tell to Claude, like, make a new milestone for this project and plan all tasks for this milestone. So it's actually quite useful and I strongly recommend to use this AI Project Manager. What I prepared for you, it's absolutely free. I prepared for you all these 8 skills. And I prepared a useful PDF file where you can just see how to use them and how to implement this inside your workflow. What you need to do? You just need to go to link, go inside my group and grab this file. I hope you really like this video, because for me it's absolutely interesting to study about Claude, find new ways to communicate with Claude. And if you want to see more video about marketing, analytics and Claude, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next videos.